Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking a little bit at early literacy skills in dual language children. Just a little bit of an overview. My name is Isabella Mijares. I am a sophomore studying speech, language, and hearing sciences here at UW for speech pathology. I work with Dr. Giberson looking at early language literacy skills, specifically in dual language learning, so Spanish-speaking children and Native American children. Right now, there are a couple different main studies happening in Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico looking at these bilingual children. But I'm trying to focus specifically on toddlers, so trying to apply this to the 2 to 3-year-olds. Generally speaking, these children with slower language skills also have some literary issues as well, so that's why these studies have started to arise. A couple different main studies that we based ours off of, both behavioral coding wise and as a general rule. The first one looks at ebooks facilitating these parent-child talks in families of low socioeconomic status households. And the second one just looked at shared reading and its effects on language and literacy. The way that our study works specifically is we're doing this behavioral coding on the 2 to 3-year-olds. So we have videos of them with their caretaker reading 2 different ebooks. One is called My First Words, and one is called Pato Está Sucio. We have these 30-second intervals where we're looking at 3 main behaviors and trying to find the average behaviors to look at overall patterns. The 3 main things that we're focusing on are effect, availability, and active participation. Effect is just basically looking at if it's positive or negative throughout the entire reading. And for availability, we're looking at both physical proximity and visual attention. The last one, active participation, we focus on physical acts or verbal acts. So the way that this behavior coding works is we have the 30-second interval, and for each interval, we rate it on a scale of 1 to 5 for each of these specific 3 main focuses. So for example, effect 1 would be extremely negative and the 5 would be extremely positive. On the left-hand side, I have a blank coding page that you can see a little bit what that will look like. And on the right-hand side, I have a child that I recently coded, so you can see a little bit of what you would expect. So right now we're basically in the very beginning steps of our study, so we hope to continue this coding and find some more correlations between our study and other studies in hopes of looking at these literary strategies to help dual language learners in the future. Thank you guys very much. Have a great rest of your day.